What is zero-day attack? Hi everyone, I'm Ori and welcome to another Radware Minute. To simply put it, a zero-day attack is a malicious code or behavior that hasn't been seen before. It has no predefined signatures, and therefore security rules have not been put in place to block it. Now, once such attacks are identified and analyzed, new security rules are applied to the organization's WAF, DDoS, and bot protection tools to block the attacks. Unfortunately, many times, until identified and new security rules are put in place, zero-day attacks can take a serious toll on companies and cause substantial damages. To protect from zero-day attacks, it's important to use application protection solutions that can accurately block anomalous behavior and quickly adapt in real time to new threats. Thank you for joining me on this Radware Minute, and stay safe.